How to get WPS Office Pro for free. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WPS Office on your Play Store by searching WPS on your Play Store. Then make sure WPS Office is updated to the latest version. After you have done that, open the app and log into your account. Then click on Premium at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you will find two options, yearly and monthly. Click on Free 3-day trial. Then you will find an option at the bottom to add your payment method, which is your credit or debit card. After you add your payment method, you will get 3-day free trial for WPS Pro. After 3 days, you can simply cancel if you don't want, and no money will be cut from your account. And this is how to get WPS Office Pro for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.